just arrived, and here he is, the President of Turkey, Rejep Tayip Erdogan, just arrived to Kazakhstan. You can see him coming down from the plane, and he will be greeted here by Prime Minister of Kazakhstan, Alihan Smailow. Both men are already met, and now you can see them shaking hands. Rejep Tayip Erdogan just took the flowers from the Kazakhstan delegation. Here you can see both men talk to each other. Probably they're discussing tomorrow the summit of Organization of Turkic States. Let me remind you that Erdogan will be participating tomorrow on the summit, along with his colleagues from other Turkic countries, Kyrgyzstan, Azerbaijan, Uzbekistan, and 2 countries members like Hungary and Turkmenistan. Now Turkish leader is shaking hands with a delegation.